welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is, if you can't already tell from the title, your girl is getting another piercing. And I have about 11 piercings, but before you come for me, every single one of my piercing, I can give you at least 2 symbolic meanings of why I got them, time that I had them, because usually they're like awards and or something that I've went through in my life, and I just wanted to memorize that and just, you get me. But we're heading down now to the @10things store to get a tragus piercing. I'm gonna get it on this ear, I think, because this ear I can't really see it. I already have 5 piercings on this ear. So I'm gonna get it here. I've been wanting this for a long time, and after I've gotten it, I'll show you and tell you what the symbolic meaning of the reason I'm getting it is. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next clip. You gotta get one of that sorted out first. This is my vlog camera. I'm vlogging. That's for the mic. So like when there's the outside noise and it's windy. So old. So you kind of like, yeah. Whew, we're here. It's gonna hurt. It's something. It's not end the world. It's not like this. You don't want it. Alright, we're doing this side, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna tuck this behind your ear and then you go. Oh my god. You cannot be freaking out like that when I get this needle out. Oh man! Are you gonna be able to handle this? Because you cannot move. That's just the alcohol way. Oh my gosh.
Child. Anyway, so.
It was like going through your body. Oh. Okay, so use the extra one. You can go to the nose for the piercing, and you can change it up for something smaller if you want. Is it easy to change on? Okay, can we do like a gold then? I don't do gold piercings. We only do copper jewelry. Yeah. So then I probably would have to come back to you to change it. And what is the healing time? A year. A year. She just says it like a year. You know that takes forever. That takes so long. You have to be so patient. Alright. So, super quick, super easy. This looks abnormally large, but only a little bit of it goes in you and then the plastic stays, but you gotta make sure you're not moving. Ready? So, sweeting tube inside the ear here. Okay, you know the drill. Breath in. 3, 2, 1, breathe out. So dramatic. That's it. You're so silly. Are you putting on a show for that camera? Wait, no. No, it's not that. You know me. Oh my God, it's not that bad. Oh man. Oh. That's not that bad, actually. I told you it's not that bad. Well, you killed me with my nipples, so it was like,
got it.
Oh my god.
I got it.
Your nipples are just sensitive. Nothing I have been so scarred ever since then. It was just like, oh man. I wanted this piercing for like a whole year. And you see how long it took me to get here?
How many times have I pierced you?
You pierced me to what? 6 times.
Yeah, like 100.
Yeah.
You're like, hell with this. You cannot even pretend to be a You're done.
It's not even painful at all. This one. Yeah, I love the setup. Oh my gosh, I love it. What do you guys think about it? I love it. I love it. It's so cute. It is so cute. The emotional distress that comes with it.
It's super emotional. Like, the worst thing is hiring people.
Yeah, it is. It absolutely is. So you're an impact.
Yeah, of course. Who could not be?
A lot of people are not. A lot of people but it's like that. I think you having your body tattooed, you know, fully, it's just like you, creating. It's creative. You know, exploring your artistry. Is it artistry? Yeah. Artistry.
I originally went to art school and then dropped out because it was too expensive.
Yeah. What's your zodiac sign?
Virgo.
You're a Virgo. Wow. I've never met a female Virgo. Just
Really?
male. Yeah.
Typically creative. This is the thing. Usually hippies. I'm not a hippie. I'm just too lazy to dress up.
Wait. Wow. Okay. You're pretty cool. Maybe. So I just sprayed on Q-tip.
That's all. Shake and spray.
And this one is daily or multiple times a day? Twice a day?
In the morning when you wake up, if there's no crusties on it, you can just do a spray and dry. But if there's crusties, get them off with a Q-tip. Usually you get the buildup when you're sleeping. And then when you go to bed at night, you want to make sure you go to bed with a very clean hair.
Okay. So inside and out of inside.
Yeah, don't neglect the inside. That's the easiest part to miss. There's a flat back on the inside, but it's like such a long bar that it's really easy to get at the on the other.
Fasties. I feel so much better. Like I was really having a crappy week this week, and getting this done just elevated my mood so much because I've been wanting to get this done for like a whole year. You heard me in there, a whole year, but I don't know, because I know the pain levels of several of my piercings. It was just like crap. I don't know if I'm ready for it. But this, on a scale of 1 to 10, this was like 4. This was a good 4. And it's not even hurting afterwards. Like when I got my nose pierced, oh man, it would still be aching after the piercing. But this one, it's like, it's just minding its business. And she told me it didn't even bleed, not one drop. So it's like, it was waiting for me, and I was just not ready yet. But it's like, when I was ready, it's like, okay, I'm ready too, babe. But yeah, so the symbolic meaning of this piercing, besties, is like I just told you, I've been having a tough several weeks. I've been to the hospital several times because it's just been affecting my mental health, and so yeah, I don't want to get into the full thing right now, but it's just been tough. It's been a tough several weeks, but throughout it all, I've just seen God's grace and His mercy, and how He's just been with me the whole time. Like every bad day that I'd have, or before the day even ends, I'd see His miracles some way, somehow. And the reason why I could say the week has been tough and it's been a bad week is because I've been trying to do everything in my strength, besties. I've been trying to do everything to like take everything on my back. And I guess that's why I have backaches now from the from the weight of carrying all the stress and anxiety and not letting God. So I say I believe in God. I do trust Him and I do believe Him, but it's like when crap hits the fan, I panicked and I stressed, and that sent me, like, I went to the doctor to do a checkup and he was like, your pressure is a bit, you need to calm down, you need to relax. And it's like, that was a wake-up call, besties. That's a wake-up call to prioritize yourself, prioritize your mental health, prioritize God in your life. If you say you believe Him, you believe and trust in Him, then let go and let God. That is the symbolic meaning of this piercing. Let go and let God. Just trust that whatever everything is working out for you. Everything is working out for me, and everything is working out for my good. So I will just trust in Him and just go with the path that He set forth for me, because His plans are better than mine. And I'm not like, y'all probably like, oh, she's preaching it ain't even Sunday. But it's just like certain points in your life, besties, you'll see what I mean. You'll understand. It's been tough, but my God He's been tougher on my problems. That it could have been worse. And it could, you know what I mean? But I know I'm gonna come out victorious. And so that's just this meaning of this person. So let go, besties. Let God, the universe, whatever you believe in, let Him show up and show out in your life. Because He can't show up and show out in your life if you are trying to do everything on your own. He's just gonna let you do that. He's just gonna sit back and watch you try to do everything on your own, knowing that you don't have the capacity, the capability to do, you know what I mean? We're only mere humans. If you even got to the point that I got, ending up being woken up like that by a health scare, my pressure was like 162, besties. 162, and I'm 24 years old. So that should be more than a wake-up call for you too. Like, it's never that deep. It's never that deep, but I've been going through some. It's never that deep, besties. But that in itself was just like, okay, take a step back. Reevaluate everything that you got going on in your life that has you stressing to the point of having 162 as your pressure rate. And it's such a young age, besties. It's never that deep. It's never that serious. Even if you're 40, you're 30, you're 50, it's never that deep. It's never that serious to be stressing out over things you can't control. You can't control. Put it in God. Put it in the universe's hands. Let them show out for you. Let them come through for you. But they can't do that if you're trying to maintain a grip on something that you may not even be able to rectify yourself. But it's just like stressing yourself out for no reason. Just relax. Take a chill pill and relax. Okay? And take deep breaths. You're gonna get through this. I am going to get through this. So, yeah. It's gonna be okay. That said, that's the message to myself. Stop stressing. Stop overthinking. Stop overanalyzing. It's not that serious. It's never that serious for you to jeopardize your mental health, to jeopardize your health in any aspect. It's never that deep. It's never that deep, besties. So that's my message for myself, but to you guys as well. It's never that deep. Let go and let God. Everything is gonna work out the way it's supposed to be. Alright, besties, I got me some treats from this French croissant. I got me ham and egg sandwich, some sliced bread, and this chocolate sandwich. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. I don't know what it tastes like, but she was like, it's nice. She recommended it. Can you all see that? I want to get it out because I'm gonna make it. I made it a mess, and I don't want to get my hands dirty with chocolate right now. So. But I love me some chocolate croissants. Good. Just having an obsession. They're looking at the road. Like, I don't know. Okay, besties. This will be the end of today's vlog. I'm just so... I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. I hope you guys are watching and keeping up with the series of my recent birthday trip to New York and showing love and support. I hope you guys are watching because I got some good content. It was a time. It was a time and I loved it. But anyway, besties, if you like this video, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so I know it's real, so I know the love is real. And I will see you in the next clip. Not the next clip, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.